Hi everyone. In the last video, I have explained to you how to build a model for a simple linear regression. And today we'll talk about the multilinear regression. So, what is multilinear regression? Say there is an equation, line equation y equals to mx plus c. Okay, this is the line equation y is equals to mx plus c. And here y is dependent variable and x is my independent variable, and this is nothing but simple linear regression. And in the multilinear regression I have more than one independent variable, like y equals to m1 plus m1 into x1 plus m2 into x2 plus and so on plus c. So this is my multilinear regression. This is what multilinear regression. And one dependent variable and more than one independent variables. This is my multilinear regression. Okay, so the first step I will extract the data. These are the four steps: extract data. Next, I will get the details of the data. I have to explain the data. EDA is nothing but explanatory data analysis, where I will check any null values are there or not. In the third step, feature extraction. In the fourth step, model building. In the fifth step, valuation. These are the steps that comes under the multilinear regression. And one more new step comes within the feature extraction is scaling. Feature scaling. Okay, this is how these are the steps that comes under multilinear regression. And in the next video I will explain how to build a model and Python code using sklearn. For the building and multilinear regression I will use module name called sklearn. So this is the module. Let's talk about the next video. That's it from me. Thank you.